Team Unknown is here to present you a new enhancement in the existing field of e-commerce business, the Feelcart. So everyone know due to this pandemic situation, the real world shopping and the real time shopping has been uh, unsafe for each one of us due to COVID-19. So as an alternative for the real time shopping, everyone switched into the online shopping giants such as Amazon's Flipkart, Shopclues, Limeroad, etc. But yet, we do miss the feel of Chandni Chowk or Saukapet, the jostling streets, and how we purchase. This has been a lag for many of the shopaholics out there. So, to overcome this, we have introduced the virtual reality technology in our existing e-commerce website. So, virtual reality platform provides the user an enhanced user experience of how he shops when he enters a mall. So, in a mall, we all know that everything will be arranged in different sections, being your apparels or watches or gadgets. What are the advantages of applying this virtual reality system? It firstly enhances the customer's user experience. Since it's a progressive web application, it can be modified and customized according to the user needs. It can be directly integrated on the existing e-commerce website without making changes to the existing site. Since it's developed using React and it is platform independent. So how does this work? When the user log in, he actually enters in the usual e-commerce website, and which is provided with the VR toggle button on the top left pane, and when he clicks it, he enters into the virtual reality mode. So the tech stack used here is we have applied for front end is React.js and React AR, and the API used is Commerce.js API, and for backend we have used Firebase for authentication and Node.js. So let's see how our application is user friendly and how it works. So when you enter into the application, it gives us with a sign-in page, and you can sign in using your Google account. So after signing in, you land into the e-commerce website page, where if you scroll down, you can see the products such as shoes, watches, apparels, accessories, etc. So on the bottom of the page, you're provided with the customer care and support contact details, where you can contact them regarding your orders, payment issues, and whatnot. And next, moving on to the cart. This is how your empty cart displays. You can add the items either by using this button. You will be redirected to the previous e-commerce site when you add your product, and this is how your cart looks. You can add, you can increment or decrement your product, and the subtotal will be automatically calculated. And when you click on the empty cart button, the items inside your cart will be automatically removed. And when you want to shop something, if you want to shop these Puma shoes, you can directly click on the checkout button and it will move you to the payment gateway. This is how your normal e-commerce site works. But in our site, we have used the virtual reality technology. That button over there, when you click on the virtual reality toggle button, you land up in the virtual reality environment. So you can see this setup, like how our usual malls look or marts look. When you move in and click on categories, you find the categories out here such as clothes, accessories, and gadgets. So now I'm going to click on clothes, and you can view your, the apparels available in your website in an ordered manner, such as clothes. Multiple clothes can be viewed in the 360 dimension for people who don't have the virtual reality box, and for those who have the virtual reality box, you can feel the environment. So apart from this, when you log into the e-commerce site, each model given here can be viewed in a 360-degree dimension view, and also can be experienced using the virtual reality model. So when you click on the virtual reality button over there, you end up seeing the monument, which is provided to you in a 360-degree angle view. And so this is how it works. So thank you all for listening to us, and thank you for this opportunity.